Okay, ProTube Fly Systems, Caddis Fly Shop. Good morning. We're going to start with the Flexi Tube. This is a 40-40. What's that? 40 millimeters. You know, the whole world goes in millimeters, except the United States. 40 millimeters. This slides right on your ProTube Flexi needle. Nicely there. In fact, what I'm going to do, I'm going to trim the very tip off of that so it's open. I can almost see to get it on there. Okay, so this is your hook guide. Your hook will seat in this portion. You could tie your fly right up here, or you can tie your fly on this whole area. Do you want to tie a big old intruder? You can do that. Intruder style fly, you can do that. And with this arrangement, the eye of your hook seats right in, and we're going to cover this. We got lots of videos to make. Fits right into this hook guide, and the eye seats right there. Flexi Tube, micro tube, very cool. This takes a hook guide. This is a silicone. I'm probably holding this just so you can't see it. Silicone comes in lots of cool colors. The micro tube comes in different colors. You tie your fly first, then you put on that hook guide. And the nice thing, you can seat the eye of a hook right back in here. Or if you're doing a style of fly where you want your hook to trail further back, if you used a Flexi Tube, you'd have to have that tube go all the way back, and that's okay. We can get these in different colors. We can get clear, but with this, the micro tube and the silicone hook guide, your loop knot, slides right up in there and holds firmly, so you just have monofilament. You just have and it's less obtrusive, perhaps. So, two different systems. Flexi Tube. I showed you the micro tube. Oh, here's the micro tube. Okay. Now, let's say you got a Flexi Tube, and you want to do something. Maybe you want to make a micro tube out of it. You can do that. You cut most of that hook guide off, and then you decide you're only going to use a little bit of this. Maybe you're going to use this much to tie your fly on, and at any rate, you're always going to have some scraps. You have a little scrap of the front end of your Flexi Tube. You seat that. The cool thing about this Pro Tube fly system, Pro Fly Tube, whatever, it's all interchangeable. You now have something that is just like a micro tube, and you can put your hook guide, silicone hook guide, right on there. So, why would you ever want to do that? Well, what if you want to make a great big long fly and use a hook guide too? A silicone hook guide. There you go. That's why you might want to do that.